we're only as strong as we are together. Something I didn't realize till just now. We are pretty badass together.
Yeah, like birds of justice.
Who are you?
I'm Black Siren. I changed my mind. The deal's off.
What's wrong with being confident? What's wrong with being confident? It's time to get the chains out. Is your tongue tied up? 'Cause this is my round, and I'm dangerous, and you can get off, but it's all about me tonight. So you say I'm complicated, that I must be out of my mind, but you've had me underrated, rated. What's wrong with being confident? What's wrong with being confident?
Still kicking ass, I see. I heard you were back in town.